subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG is reportedly working on its upcoming mid-range phone called LG K31, and recently it was spotted on Google Play Console website that reveals the key specifications and first front look of the smartphone. According to listing, the LG K31 will support HD Plus display with fairly thick bezels on all sides, and it will have a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The power button is visible on the right edge, while the left appears to have volume rockers along with the dedicated Google Assistant button for voice control. The device is listed to come powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone will pack with 2 GB of RAM and it will run on Android 10. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG K31 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So as of now, that's all we know about the LG K31 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.